he is someone who actually cares about the youth. He was supposed to be in Jammu, if I'm not wrong, right now, and he specially took a flight to come all the way to Kashmir and to interact with you all. Can we please have a huge round of applause?
So, do I need the... Oh. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Kashmir. Salam alaikum. Yes.
So we have all these students coming from different parts of the valley, some from Anantnag, some from all the way from Baramulla, and different parts of the district and different parts of the valley. So sir, my first question to you is, let's go back to the beginning. You were born and raised right here in Srinagar, studied here in Srinagar in one of the prestigious schools, if I'm not wrong, and then chose public service. Was there a specific moment when you realized this was your calling?
Thank you, guys. I came by road, not by air, because that was more important for me to reach here. So I wanted to come and sit with you. It's a great opportunity for me to come here, listen to wonderful people. In fact, being a good politician, normally what you hear is that politicians usually... Do you want me to speak in English or Urdu, whatever?
Whatever you...
Urdu भी ठीक है?
सब चलेगा.
अच्छा, मैं English करूँगा कोशिश. तो it's been a great... when I was approached by these people, and before they could say, can you? I said, yes, I will. And I wanted to come here, I wanted to be amongst you. And the reason is because I see a lot of hope in you people. And before I just digress, because you give a politician a mic and then he'll talk about everything else except for the question that he asked. But मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि I'll stick to whatever he asked me. So politics, it was not a one thunderbolt moment जहाँ मुझे लगा कि अब मैं join करूँगा या अब मैं ऐसा कुछ करूँगा. Lots of things. Probably I must have been one of you sitting in some audience, looking at some politician, some celebrity, some role model, some teacher, some anybody, and thinking कि मैं भी ये कर सकता हूँ. And I think दो तीन थे, and I remember because I come from a political family, and I remember while I was just young, probably a little older than you, मुझे याद है कि मैं एक lady आई थी, क्योंकि उन दिनों probably you must not have been born even then, towards the 90s. I remember I was sitting at home, all tucked in my jeans and tight t-shirt, and there was this guy who came and he said कि कोई एक lady आई है बाहर, वो मिलना चाहती है. So my dad wasn't here. He had actually उस वक्त जो हालात थी, तो he had gone to Jammu. तो मैं बाहर आया, तो there was this old frail lady. तो मैंने कहा कि obviously थोड़ा कश्मीरी टूट फूट के कोशिश की मैंने, क्योंकि एक नया निकला है. I have also been a victim of that कि if you speak कश्मीरी तो आप थोड़ा lesser ही हो, but खुदा का शुक्र है I speak very good कश्मीरी. तो उसने मुझे बोला कि मेश आँख लाकट गुज़रिश चलिश. You understand Kashmiri, right, all of you? So I said, क्या है? I was like flamboyant, a young boy, like this guy who has a camera in his hand, doesn't care what I'm speaking, but still will click a picture. So I was something like that. So वो आया, and then he said she said कि मेरा बच्चा जो है वो 10 दिन से गायब है. तो I said अच्छा. तो कहा कि मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है. So this is something in 90s I'm talking about. So I said, what can I do? She said कि कुछ भी करके मेरा बच्चा मुझे वापस दे दो. तो being young मुझे इतना कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ उसकी बात. So I said, okay, झूठ बोला मैंने शायद कि अच्छा मैं देख लूँगा. But then I went, I did my studies outside. But that thing always came in my mind कि यार ये एक lady थी जो मेरे घर पे आई थी. And she had a hope. Probably that young I couldn't have done much. But at least I could have comforted her. And I'm telling you my negative part. Normally politicians will never tell you, but I'm telling you कि ये तो air is human. मुझे भी लगता है कि हर एक गलती करता है, और मैंने भी वो गलती की. काश मैं उससे एक अच्छे से behave करता, उसको थोड़ा सा console करता, तो शायद अच्छा था. But going from there, studying out, going to US, that thing always was in my mind कि I could have done better. I think that was one moment that always stayed in me. Number two, and I'll just be quick. I know you are constrained on time. I was going with my friend on a bike. Those days Yamaha was very strong. तो मुझे यहाँ, and I have not shared this with anyone. This is probably the first time. I don't know whether I should or not, but चलो बोल देता हूँ. आज MLA ज़्यादा अरेस्ट वेरेस्ट का चांस नहीं है. But ये है कि मैं बाइक पे जा रहा था राजबाग साइड से. A lot of you would know. There was this policeman who stopped me. He was an army man, CRPF. So he stopped me. And he, for some reasons, because young boys होते हैं तो आप पीछे देखते हो, so probably I was a little flamboyant those days. मैं रुका तो he stopped me, started slapping me and took me to his वो जो इनका headquarter था. So that friend of mine was released, but I was there from 10:30 in the morning till 8. And why I was released is because my friend went to my father and he said कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है, तनवीर को ले गया है कोई ये. I remember because of intervention of my father, I was released. Now that was one more incident that I realized कि ऐसे कितने लोगों को ऐसा होता होगा. And that's when I was around 11th 12th. ऐसी बात है. And then when the investigation happened, they claimed that there was no officer of that name. I don't want to name him. अब पता नहीं वो शायद इस दुनिया में भी होगा कि नहीं होगा. But I'm saying कि ऐसी incidents are actually that impact you a lot because daily occurring. And the last, and then I'll take your next question, is our favorite leader, Mr. Umar Abdullah. I think he is some man. I mean, I have been with him for close to around 1.5 or 2 decades and not seeing him as a politician, as a chief minister, but he's a very straightforward man. If when any of you comes up to him and says ye karna hai, even if it is politically wrong, he will still tell you ye main nahi karunga. And we need politicians like that. And I think combining all these three together was something that actually shaped my future. And then obviously things got up, and then I've been in politics for a long time. Probably some of you must not have been even born, though I look a little younger probably, but probably I have seen a lot in my these 22 years of politics. So that is my story.
It is a very impactful story for sure, and people have different views and people have different instances by which they have joined politics, but this one was very emotional. And let's move on.
I could have gone on to see मेरा जो emotional setup था. अभी तो मैं उसको बड़ा आसानी से बोलता हूँ, but जो emotional setup उस वक्त था,
बिल्कुल.
Trust me, it's not easy. There is no right. See, there is this young girl sitting in the front. She comes out from the school, goes to her school, comes out from her house, goes to her school. She is a free bird. She doesn't want anybody to stop her. She wants to enjoy. She wants to go to a park. She wants to go to watch a movie, go to a madrasa, go and pray anywhere. It's her inherent right to do that. And there is nobody in this world who should and can stop her from doing her fundamental rights. And I think we must ensure that she gets an independent authority, she gets an atmosphere where she goes out and does what her heart wants. And trust me, for the girl students here, I am with you with everything that you do. Trust me, I will always be there for you.
And adding on to the statement that you said about Umar Saab, that how prolific of a leader he is, and I'll just tell you about our instances. We have also hosted him a couple of times, and always he has been very kind, very sweet to the kids. I remember we had this one interaction of our core team in Nawai Subha once, and he was supposed to give a address, and then the students were supposed to ask questions. He did not give the address, and he said, "What will I tell you? You all ask me questions." And it was a very candid interaction, very candid, and I don't think any leader would answer questions so like that, because if you ask, as you just mentioned, that if you ask a politician a question, he won't answer that question but tell you something else. But he is the one who will actually give you the answer to that question.
Trust me, if Umar Abdullah Saab would have been somebody from Tamil Nadu, uske actually mandir bante. Trust me, I'm not saying it because he's a straightforward man. What else do you need in a leader? And a leader has to lead. At a time in this, tense atmosphere, you need a leader who will lead you, who will not drown you. And please, you are young students, don't go on what social media and other people say. You need to see कि वो किस circumstances में काम कर रहा है. a leader who chose to contest election even though he was against it. In spite of that, coming out, contesting and making sure कि वो किसी तरीके से represent करे, because whatever he says is international news. So I must say कि he is in an, okay, let me not go because then I'll get into controversy. So let's
Okay, let's go to the next question then. So next question, sir. Politics, as you also mentioned, runs in your family, but you have created your own path. How did it shape your identity in public life while honoring the legacy that came before you?
Honestly, अगर आप देखो तो it definitely helps if you're from a political family, because then people at least know you कि हाँ भैया ये फलानी का बेटा है, ये फलानी अच्छा आदमी है, क्या है, कैसा है, मतलब बैड न्यूज़, गुड न्यूज़, बट देयर इज़ ऑलवेज न्यूज़ कि ये आदमी कौन है, कैसा है. एंड आई थिंक इट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्ड, बट ये एक स्टेपिंग स्टोन है. इट इज़ जस्ट वन स्टेप टुवर्ड्स द लैडर,
And then it
इट
is
इज़
you.
नॉट द लैडर इटसेल्फ. मैं अपने वालिद साहब का या जिस लेगेसी से मैं आता हूँ उनका एक बार नाम यूज़ कर सकता हूँ और शायद किया भी होगा, बट अगर ऐसी बात है, आई हैव बीन इन पॉलिटिक्स फॉर 22 years नाउ. आई स्टार्टेड माई एक्चुअल करियर एज अ कॉर्पोरेटर ऑफ श्रीनगर सिटी, एंड सिंस देन आई वॉज देयर फॉर 5 years. I have not won an election, I have not contested an election, and the last 17 years I have been without a profile, when you call a profile like an MLA or an elected person. So it's not easy. Trust me, politics is not easy, as good as it may look, but it has its drawbacks. I mean, I'm trying to be as honest as I can. मेरे को कोई सैलरी नहीं थी 17 साल, बट बिकॉज दैट थिंग इन माई हार्ट कि मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता हूँ. इफ आई ऑल्सो डू इट फॉर मनी, इफ आई ऑल्सो डू इट फॉर फेम, इफ आई ऑल्सो डू इट फॉर गेटिंग अ पोजिशन, then probably there is no difference between others and me. If I have to change after, let's say, 15 or 17 years, I contested elections and I got the highest margin in the Srinagar city. I mean, that probably shows you that I must have done something good with the people. Something I must have sat with the people in their thick and thin, in उनके गमों में, खुशियों में. I must have been somewhere there that people thought कि नहीं, ये आदमी शायद genuine है. And I'm happy कि जब election हुआ, I proved myself. And I keep on telling my colleagues, this election was where it was very important for my party, for everything. It was something for my own self also, because it shows you कि आप जो काम करते हो रास्ते पे,
An emotional value.
every day since morning till evening, at least वो किसी जगह impact
Reflect
करता है. I think then if voting is the criteria, then I think I have done pretty good in this election. So
Absolutely,
I think,
no doubt.
Yes.
The margin was around 16,000 votes, if I am not
16.
wrong.
Yes, that was quite a big margin.
Absolutely.
Considering Srinagar city.
And coming, as you talk about the family legacy, which most people don't say, it is the path at max they will show you, but eventually you have to walk your own path.
If that was the case, then I believe Indira Gandhi would have never lost. Umar Abdullah Saab would have never lost. I think हाँ एक कोशिश, एक push मिलता है, but ultimately
you are on your
people
own.
here, let's say there are 400 students here, everybody has their own thinking process. Everybody will actually dissect everything that I'm saying. कुछ लोग कहेंगे कि बकवास कर रहा है, कुछ लोग कहेंगे नहीं ठीक बोला, कुछ लोग कहेंगे ठीक है. So everybody has an opinion. My work is to ensure that at least the people who have an opinion do not hate me, at least are neutral somewhere and say कि अच्छा यार बाकियों से तो बेहतर था, चलो इसको वोट दे दे या चलो इसको एग्री करें. एटलीस्ट अगर उसका मैं हेट को पॉजिटिव में बनाऊँ, वो मेरा काम है. सो ओवरऑल एक इलेक्शन लड़ेगा वालिद साहब के या पार्टी के नाम पे, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली जो आप काम करते हो, it
You have to do it
reflects
on
on the
your own.
ground, and I think that is very important. I hope I keep on doing the good work and then people love that work.
They love it. That is why you had a
I hope they
16,000
love
margin.
it.
So coming to this, what do you think deeply connected with the people that you got this margin?
I think my consistency, I think the last decade or so, or maybe 15-20 years, I've been with the people in their thick and thin. कहीं कोई खुशी थी, I was there. कहीं कोई गम था, I was there. The fact that अगर आप available हो, see, honestly, politics is not about fulfilling everything that you're promised. पॉलिटिक्स इज टू बी देयर. मुझे लगता है पॉलिटिक्स में आज की डेट पे और आज की जो जनरेशन है, ये मैंने जिस तरह का ये डाइसेक्ट करते हैं एक एक चीज़ को, और क्योंकि दीज आर जनरेशंस दैट जेन जी दे सी रील्स एंड से कि भैया सही बोल रहा है गलत बोल रहा है. सो मुझे लगता है कि दे नीड समबडी हु लिसन्स, क्योंकि बातें तो हम करते रहते हैं बट एटलीस्ट इनके दिल में क्या है वो भी तो कोई सुने. आई थिंक इफ यू आर, आज की डेट पे पॉलिटिक्स हैज चेंज्ड. And I think towards your questions, I think we'll come towards social media also. But I think आज की डेट पे if you are a good listener, if you are somebody who will at least hear you out and feel that you are listening to and you are actually not making an opinion, not being judgmental. कोई स्टूडेंट मेरे पास आकर कोई बात करता है, I should not be judgmental. I should not decide कि ये सही है कि गलत है. It's our opinion, it's his opinion. Or I should respect that. If I am doing that, I think I have done my job. And I think for these last 15, 20 years, I have tried to do that. I have tried to be amongst the people, with them, and I think that was the reason that my opponents lost their deposit also. So that is something जो लोग, and there are big names जो मेरे opponents थे, big names in the Srinagar city, वो अगर deposit, so I will tell you deposit क्या होता है. अगर आपको एक percentage vote नहीं आता है, so what you do is when you form election, अब आप जब election form करते हो तो आप you pay some amount to the DC office कि भैया मैं ये पैसे दे रहा हूँ या दे रही हूँ ताकि मैं इस election में लड़ूँ. So if you don't get that number of votes, you lose that deposit. So it's kind of insult to that person कि भैया आप लोगों को लोगों में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है, लोग आपको चाहते नहीं है. So मेरे जो opponents थे उन लोगों ने एक बहुत concerted मेरे खिलाफ एक कैंपेन स्टार्ट की, but God willing they lost their deposit and I was the highest. So उस हिसाब से I did actually well that way.
Coming on to social media, this is the entire generation who spend, I think, more than half of their day on social media. Now it used to be Facebook for the older generation, now they all are on Instagram. And if we see in terms of older generation, there is a thing called WhatsApp University, wherein they will see any random forward on WhatsApp, they will believe and they will circulate. But for this generation, WhatsApp University doesn't exist, but there is a new university called the Instagram University, wherein you will find tons and tons of reels, various content creators creating content and these kids consuming, wherein at times they also sometimes forget to actually fact check and believe in those reels and leads to spread of misinformation. What advice would you give to all these young students who are constantly on this Instagram and other social media platforms to be a responsible citizen?
I think मैं क्या एडवाइस दूँ यार तुम लोगों को. It's such a vast field. I think even if I tell you कि stop scrolling, you will not stop. But what I would suggest is that a little bit of responsibility. And I think when I say responsibility, I'll tell you this. कि जिस तरह he said that WhatsApp University और जो चीज़ भी social media पे होता है, actually 90% of that is not right और 90% of that is not correct. तो जहाँ आप देख रहे हो, and I'll tell you, I'll give you an example. I've been in controversy a few weeks back. I'll not say what controversy is because that will again become a controversy. It was an issue concerning a lot of people. So what I did was that one of my friends from the media asked me a question. और जब मैंने आंसर किया तो मैंने एक लंबा आंसर दिया. जो ही मैंने लंबा आंसर दिया तो मैं घर चला गया. सुबह 6 बजे के करीब मैंने देखा धड़ाधड़ मुझे कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं. तो मैं कहा क्या बात है, तो मैंने फ़ोन उठाया तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपने ये क्या ये दिया है कमेंट. तो मैंने कहा क्या दिया, तो आप देख लीजिए. तो जब मैंने कमेंट देखा उसमें से बिल्कुल 20 सेकेंड्स की जो एक क्लिप थी उसको मेरे एक अपोनेंट ने, जिसकी डिपॉजिट जमा होगी ना, जिसका मैं इलेक्शन, उसी ने इसको एक क्लिप बाहर भेज दी. और जब एक क्लिप बाहर दे दी तो जो मैंने कहा था वो टोटल ट्विस्ट हो गया. सो ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव टू कम आउट एंड देन फैक्ट चेक नहीं हुआ उसमें. अ लॉट ऑफ रिलीजियस लीडर्स, अ लॉट ऑफ गुड पीपल actually thought that was right, that was correct, and they actually responded to that, condemning what I said. Then I had to issue a rejoinder to say what I said. And this is the drawback of the social media. So जहां where we have to be responsible, there are dangerous things also in it. जहां आप लोग जो देखते हो वो शायद सच नहीं होता है, और अगर देखते भी हो, यू शुड ऑलवेज फैक्ट चेक. एंड आई कांट स्टॉप यू, आई टेल यू माय ओन एग्जांपल. मेरी 3 साल की बेटी है और वो देखती है, वो एक आई डोंट रिमेंबर उसका, देयर इज दिस रशियन किड्स, डियाना एंड रोमा.
You have
किसी
the
ने डियाना एंड रोमा बोला, हाँ वही है. तो वो उसका रशियन एक्सेंट बन गया अभी से, तो वो रशियन में मुझसे वाटर कैन यू गेट मी वाटर कैन यू ऐसे बोलने लगती है. तो मैं हैरान हो गया, ये क्या हो रहा है. तो पहले तो मैं हैरान हो गया कि कहाँ से इसने एक्सेंट लाया. सो जब मैंने पता करा तो मैंने देखा, ये किसी ने कहा ये डियाना एंड रोमा देख रही है. तो अब मैंने डियाना एंड रोमा को सुना तो पूरा रशियन एक्सेंट है. सो मेरा मतलब क्या है बोलने का था, इसका जो इम्पैक्ट है सोशल मीडिया का वो इतना स्ट्रांग है. अब वो सही है कि गलत है, आई डोंट नो, बट इम्पैक्ट कितना है. एक 3-year-old डॉटर एक्चुअली हैविंग एन एक्सेंट ऑफ दैट, एंड आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ रील्स जहां लोगों का अमेरिकन एक्सेंट हो गया है, और पीपल एक्चुअली यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी to actually talk about things that usually when I was in 10th or 8th or 7th, I would not even think about that. और आज की डेट में इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट और इतना स्ट्रांग बन चुका है ये फोर्स, सोशल मीडिया, दैट एक्चुअली यू कैन क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ. बट इसके साथ एक नेगेटिव पार्ट भी है. लाइक आई सेड, नेगेटिव पार्ट इसमें बहुत चीज़ें हैं. एंड आई टेल यू, आई गो, डू आई हैव अ मिनट? ओके, आई टेल यू where you have to draw a line. When I was contesting elections, one of my colleagues came to me and कहा कि ये जो आपका अपोनेंट है इसका एक ऑब्जेक्शनेबल पिक्चर है, आप इसको रिलीज करेंगे. तो कहा कि अगर आप ये करोगे तो उसको बहुत नुकसान पहुंचेगा और आपको बहुत फायदा होगा. तो I'll be ट्रूथ कि मैंने सोचा उसके बारे में, लेकिन you know, there is 2 things to it that I want to make you understand. That is, one is कि you always have a choice to decide between wrong and right, and you always have an option to refuse. I slept over it for the night. Early in the morning when I got up, I said I will not do it. The reason I said I will not do it is because ethically and morally that is wrong. And even if that costs my election, at least my conscience will be clear. मुझे ये पता चलेगा कि मैं एक गलती अपने फायदे के लिए नहीं कर सकता. शायद वो चीज़ मुझे फायदा दे देती, but ethically, morally, that was wrong. He is the same guy who did that 30-second clip after I won the election. So there is always a choice. There is always the thing where you can take a decision. And what I would from this suggest you कि जब आप घर जाओ, जब आप कुछ भी करो, जब आप उठो, बैठो, सो, काम करो, हमेशा आपके पास एक चॉइस होगा डिसाइड करने के लिए कि राइट क्या है और रॉन्ग क्या है. अगर आप वो चॉइस करोगे, trust me, there is no strongest person in this world than you guys who will take a decision. I think you should take this back home कि आप लोग जब आप डिसाइड करो, आपको बहुत फायदा मिलेगा गलत चीज़ों से, लेकिन ठीक चीज़ के लिए आपके पास एक ही मौका मिलेगा. ट्रस्ट मी, जब आप घर जाओगे you will sleep well.
ethics and morals over anything.
Ethics and morals over everything.
So now it is the very last segment and the very fun segment of this talk. It is a rapid fire round. I'll tell you something and you will have to answer in one word.
Before I get, I'll tell you एक joke मुझे याद आ गया कि मुझे एक I read it somewhere and then I was asked by this, कहा कि politicians आप करते क्या हो election में. तो this was one of those days. तो हमने कहा कि हम वादे करते हैं, promises करते हैं, तो कि हम 5 साल क्या करते हैं. तो कहा उसके बाद क्या करते हो? कहा कि फिर हम क्या करते हैं पॉलिटिशियन लोग, हम उस 5 साल ये लोगों को बताते हैं कि वो जो हमने वादे किया हम 5 साल में क्यों नहीं कर पाए. So this is what the joke is about politicians. So that is how it is.
So the fun part, the rapid fire section. What comes to your mind when I say Kashmir? One word.
Home, love,
Politics.
religion.
Resilience.
Kashmir.
Twitter.
If you're not there, you're done.
Rogan Josh or Abgosh.
Vazwan. There is no other food than Vazwan. Yes.
Youth. Youth.
Youth, I think, is not future, it is today. Engine for tomorrow and today.
And the last one, IIMUL, this organization, this platform.
Our platform for brilliant people, I think more of IIMs. I think we need a lot of them. So if you put it into a single word, prosperity.
Thank you so much.